regarding what may end up being 3 separate cases filed of discrimination against the Rock County Sheriff's Department within the last couple of years. Three cases within the last couple of years. And a case against my medical case manager, state of Minnesota, which comes out to be 4 cases of discrimination. Well, I don't know what you want to call the medical case manager. I don't know what that would be called. However, I made reference in the wearing this same shirt video that I posted today, that for 35 years I've been working on this book. And I got a couple more years, got quite a few books to read. I have a lot of information to try to gather. So, some of this, by the way, has been put off because of the mental state that I'm in, because of the Rock County Sheriff's Department. I mean, they're definitely contributing to me struggling, doing anything, much of anything right now, and for recent years. I routinely record. I mean, I've been doing this for 35 years, so I just record all the time. So even like when I was on the phone with former Sheriff Evan Verbrugge, talking about this individual who threatened to shoot me in the head online, even said, in essence, that he would kill his own child if he found out they were gay, and his wife right behind him nodding in agreement on video, clearly pointing a camera at them, and he pauses, looks right in the camera to make sure there's no mistake about his intentions. When I was on the phone with Sheriff Evan Verbrugge looking at John Reed's Facebook page, the sheriff also admitting that he sees on his Facebook page that he was carrying drugs and guns in the car. The same sheriff who on this YouTube channel, if you go down in there, you will see the email exchange of him saying 7 months later, the reason why he hadn't done anything when I was threatened to be shot in the head multiple times, that he was having staffing issues for the reason why he hadn't done anything. And then I went and filed a 8-page and I think a 4-page police report, because I'm assuming the reason why he hasn't done anything is because maybe I haven't forced, some literal papers in his hand, because apparently, emails and phone calls and all this wasn't enough. So I thought, well, you know what? Maybe if I file these police reports, he can't ignore them. And then he had not one question. So obviously I have those 8 pages and the 4 pages. And that was a set of 3 papers to file with the Sheriff's Department to tie together 2 hate groups that I nicknamed the Nightingales and the Sapsuckers. But because he didn't do anything after the 2, that I took a lot of time, a lot of mind, like a lot of patience trying to get all the details down. Because he didn't do anything after the 2, I did not file a 3rd one because it was pretty clear he wasn't going to do anything about it. But Sheriff Evan Verbrugge was even on the phone with me. I have all of this on recording. All the evidence I need. I mean, some of it's even shared in here. Now we're going to bring it to light. A lot more light. So there's a few phone calls I have to make. The Trevor Project and a few other places. I've never called some of these. I've called the Department of Human Rights a few times in Minnesota. Even in recent years, I even spoke to Governor Tim Walz's office. I have email communications with them and a phone call with the police officer union or whatever that oversees the police department. They were the ones that oversee the police department. They were the only ones that sort of took an interest in what was going on, but that still wasn't part of discrimination, a discrimination case, a lawsuit essentially. So, I mean, I did reach out to, but these, I think those phone calls are in that video short that I posted. I'm wearing the same shirt today, just the black screen with the white letters to kind of show. I believe there's some phone numbers in there, so I'm gonna start with some of those phone calls tomorrow. Kind of start explaining the situation, and because I'm pretty hopeless in like the long form 20-minute video that I made today. I'm trying to find anything to hang on, to just try, more time. But the reality is I'm just trying to convince myself of what I'm already hopeless about. So this gives me just a little bit of strength that there could be a solution that could help put me in a better situation than what I'm in now.